guys, what's up? It's your girl Tyreese G, and I'm coming with you with another video, which is a wig review. And that's why I look kind of crazy right now with my wig cap. But the wig review is coming from Amazon, from a company called Candice hair. They did not sponsor me this wig. I bought this wig with my own money. And ladies, you won't guess how much it is. It is a affordable price. Yes, it is a synthetic wig. You know, sometimes you got to be on the budget if you cannot buy these human hair lace front, which I got you ladies. So, but before I get into the video, I would like to say, if you have not already followed me on social media, my Instagram is Tyreese G. And if you have not already subscribed to your girl channel, please do so. Like, it's free. Like, come on, support the girl. So let's get right into the video. Like I said, I got this hair from Amazon, and it's from a company called Candice hair, and it is a synthetic wig with 180 the density, 24 inches long, and a 1B. And like I said, I got this from Amazon, and it was only $35, ladies. $35. You cannot beat this price. Like, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you can't afford to buy human lace frontal. And this is a lace frontal that looked like a human hair. Like I said, $35, you cannot beat that. And sometimes synthetic hair now, they making it look real good. Back then, it used to look like you got that shit from Party City. But like I said, like, this look real to me, and I really love it. I put it in a, you know, on the side. I feel like I wanted it to the side of my hair, and I think it looks so beautiful. It looks so real. I really like this hair, and I'm about to show y'all how long it comes on me. Now, I'm 5 foot, and I'm a short girl, so I'm going to show you where it comes. Comes right here. Like, pass. And like I said, ladies, it's only $35. This hair looks so real, and I tried to do little baby's hair, but I'm not really good with baby hair. Sometimes with these companies, when you buy hair off of their website, they don't look exactly the way that you purchase it when you get the hair. And I feel as though this hair looked exactly the way the website claimed it to be. If you want this wig, you want to pick up this wig, I will put the link down below in the description box. And let me know, comment down below and like this video, and let me know if you pick up this wig, or do you want to see any other videos, wig videos that I have coming up for y'all. And like I said, sis, have you already subscribed to my channel? Have you? Have you, boo? Have you? I promise y'all won't be disappointed. Just support your girl. You won't be disappointed. I will come up with video after video. Instagram, social media is Tyreese G. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, boo.